Hello creatives, you're welcome to this graphic design bootcamp. In this graphic design bootcamp, we are going to learn everything that we need to know as graphic designers. We are going to master the graphic design skills and how to design amazing and beautiful designs, right? So we have to understand what graphic design is about. Graphic design is very important in our society, and we as graphic designers have to understand what it's really about so that we can do the right thing when we are designing. So graphic design is an art of creating visual compositions to solve problems and communicate ideas through typography, imagery, color, and form, right? So on the underlying words here is to solve problem and communicate ideas. Your design should basically solve a problem and communicate ideas. That's all what graphic design is about. It's about communicating effectively to the public. So your design should communicate effectively to the public. It's not necessary about the aesthetic and the beauty of the design, but rather the message is conveying. I'm not saying the aesthetic and the beauty of design doesn't matter. It matters, but that's not the main reason why you should design. The design should not focus mainly on the aesthetic or the beauty of it, but rather the information or the message that is conveying to the public. Are you getting it? Let's look at these designs. You can see that these designs are conveying a specific and an effective message to the public. These designs are conveying, for this first design, you can see what the design is about. It's about food, it's about spring roll. You can see the image, the text, everything, the colors, they all come together to convey a message. And once you see a design, you can see what it's about, right? That's graphic design. Your design should convey effectively. Once someone sees your design, the person should know what your design is talking about. Don't design for the beauty of it. Don't design for the aesthetic of it. Don't design for just to please someone. No, it should convey a message. Put that at the back of your mind. I welcome you on board once again. Enjoy your stay here and wish you good luck. By the way, I'm Ted the Gosson here.